Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to our channel where we break down everyday tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to delete a transaction in Honeydue. If you're using this fantastic app to manage your finances with your partner or on your own, you know how important it is to keep your records accurate and clutter-free. Maybe you've entered a duplicate expense or just need to remove an old entry. Whatever the reason, this process is straightforward and quick. Let's dive right in. First off, a quick refresher. Honeydue is a user-friendly app designed for couples to track shared expenses, set budgets, and stay on top of their finances together. It's all about transparency and teamwork, but even the best systems need a little maintenance now and then. To get started, make sure you have the Honeydue app installed on your phone or tablet and that you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your transactions, budgets, and any pending items. Step 1. Navigate to the Transactions tab. It's usually at the bottom of the screen, represented by a list icon or something similar. Here, you'll find a chronological list of all your recorded transactions. Step 2. Scroll through the list until you spot the transaction you want to delete. Tap on it to open the Details view. This will give you a closer look at the amount, date, category, and any notes attached. Step 3. Look for the Edit or Delete option. In Honeydue, this is often a three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the transaction screen. Tap on that, and you should see a Delete button. Step 4. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. After all, we don't want any accidental deletions messing up your records. Just tap Confirm or Yes, and poof, the transaction is gone. One quick tip. If you're sharing the app with a partner, deleting a transaction might affect shared views, so double-check with them first. Also, remember that some transactions might be linked to categories or reports, so keep an eye on how this changes your overall budget. And there you have it. Deleting a transaction in Honeydue is as easy as that. Now you can keep your financial overview neat and accurate. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.